and it was the tradition of Imam Malik actually to take a shower before he taught classes about the Prophet ﷺ. He would take a ghusl, put on scent, put on his turban, actually do bukhur in the majlis, burn oud to create an environment and also elevate the nufus, because the nufus, when they smell good scent, it reminds them of paradise, which is one of the reasons why the Prophet ﷺ said, or is reported to have said, حُبِّبَ إِلَيَّ ثَلَاثٌ مِّن دُنْيَاكُمْ. Three things were made beloved to me from your dunya: النساء والطيب وجعلت قرة عيني في الصلاة. Women and perfume and prayer was made, the coolness of my eye was made in prayer. In other words, his enjoyment in life was in prayer. So طيب is part of the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. And they also say that perfume, there's no extravagance in perfume. In other words, if you buy expensive perfume, you don't look at it like you're wasting money, because perfume is actually considered sadaqah for other people. In other words, if you put on perfume, initially you'll smell it, but after that you don't smell it. Whereas when you come up to people, they smell it. You see, so really perfume, the point of perfume is not you, it's for other people. And so it's considered a sadaqah. And for that reason, they say that you should buy good scent. And the Prophet ﷺ bought the best scent. Even though he was very frugal in his other matters, in perfume, he actually wore the best perfume. So that's just a reminder about that. It's a good sunnah. For women, obviously, it's not a sunnah to wear perfume that emanates unless she's in her home and not going out. So that's a reminder to the sisters. And then also another thing, in all these classes, hopefully, just men and women should have